onions, potatoes, because those are a couple of the things that I like to eat. So you might as well grow them, right? And I didn't grow these from seed. I grew them from the trash. You know, and what kind of apocalyptic gardening is this? You know, I mean, don't seeds grow into onions? And it's like, yes, they do. But when we get them from the grocery store, because they didn't sell, they started rotting. You know, they started growing again. And because people don't want to buy an onion that's growing, they want to buy an onion that's just been harvested. That's how this works, right? And so I left this open just to show you that there's more than one way to grow an onion. And when we recognize that the waste from our grocery stores is going into the landfills instead of the bodies of the people, we start to question, are the grocery stores for profit, or are they for serving the people healthy food? You know, these were too expensive, in too much abundance. The farmers did a fantastic job growing it, but then the distribution system kept it so expensive that they went in the trash instead. The same is true with potatoes. You know, that when they start to grow an eye on the shelf, they're trash. But they should be moved to the the gardening center, right? You know, because when you put that potato with an eye in the ground, it starts to grow. And when these grow a little bit taller, I'm going to cover them up again and grow even more potatoes. So we can either lower the prices for food so they don't end up in the landfill, or we can be reutilizing the food that isn't being sold to create future abundance.